Here we go. Good morning. PK here with Out of the Box. Got Sting. Who doesn't like Sting? This guy really has it, you guys. Listen, the name of the show is Why People Suck at Trading. You know, I want to tell you something right now. Wait a minute. You know, why people suck at trading. You know, I'm tired of screwing around and listening, hearing all this garbage all over this YouTube. It's just making me ill. I thought I'd just clear everything up right now. I got very inspired, as you can see. So I want to welcome everybody. If I ever lose my faith in you, we're not going to lose our faith in what we're doing. That's for damn sure. Okay. Yeah, put that down. Listen. Okay, you guys. You know, the question is, you know, the name of the show for Out of the Box is Why People Suck at Trading. I saw an exact title of this video, and it made me crazy because it's a classic. You look, the show I watched was a very professional presentation. I have my notes, you guys, so I have to read. I got so many things I want to say, so forgive me. As I was saying, I watched this professional presentation, and all I heard, you guys, was the usual dreck. It's been said over and over again, nothing new, which is, I'll say the 5 things they talk about, which you all know. All the books have talk about this, trading schools. What are the 5? Why do people suck at trading? They say, 1, control your emotions. 2, do your research. 3, don't listen to outside noise. 4, understand risk management. And 5, think like a winner. Oh my God, wow, was that useless? How did that help us? How did it help you? It doesn't help us. It told us absolutely nothing. We want to hear something that's really going to do something. It's going to help all of us in the trading, right? So anyway, first of all, I'm shaking, came from the fitness, you guys. You can see. I need a shot of Coke. I'm going to tell you the real reason in brutal detail. All right, number 1. You want to know why people suck at trading in general? I'm going to say 3 things. Number 1, you've heard me say it over and over again, but it really is number 1. They bury themselves and refuse to admit that they're wrong, you know, and they go into what I call hope mode. You know what I mean? You guys know, hoping it's going to turn around, hoping it's going to come back up, or if you're short, hoping it's going to come down. And the whole thing, you guys, you don't want to go into this hope mode. This is a very dangerous spot. And again, you know, this is number 1 about burying yourselves. And how do people bury themselves? Usually 3 ways. By watching it, right? They're sitting there. They don't put a stop in. They're watching it carefully. Their 1-minute chart, whatever, 15-second, whenever you guys are watching. B, they add to losing positions. They buy it here. They said, no, I think it's going down. I think I'm going to buy somewhere down here. And go to hope mode, think it's going to turn around. Doesn't turn around. 3, or again, their initial bet, they're risking too much per trade. You know, I've said many times in many videos I've done clips, you know, the books say risk 2%, 1 to 2%. I'll go with 1%, but I prefer you should be risking 0.5% and even less if you got more money, because you want to be able to be able to withstand the drawdowns. But this is number 1. This one of the reasons, the main reason. Excuse me, why people suck at trading. Reason number 2 is they cut their winners short. Meaning, and the reason is, they get out of the winners too quickly. They get in grade. They follow what their setup. It's because they don't have any conviction in what they're doing. And remember, trading requires confidence. It's about the confidence, and you got to feel the power that you're right, and you try. But instead of going for 2 to 1, 3 to 1, many of you are going this. I'm not saying you can't make. Of course, you can make some money, but you're never really going to make a lot of money until you hold it. Whether it's a stock, whether it's a future, crude, ES, NQ. you got to take a longer term view. It's not so easy to have this. That's why everyone wants to be on the short term. It's much easier to go for 2 to 3 to 1 and be a quote unquote day trader. Look, some of my traders day trades too. Nothing wrong with that. But if you really want to make a bunch of money, which I think is the reason we all should be here, is you at least once in a while you need to go for that home run. So this is number 2. They cut their winners short. And this is something this is really one of the another reason number 2 why people suck at trading. Hold on a second. The funny part, my wife got back from Europe the other day, and what did she do? She brought me these cigarettes, and you can read them. These are Bulgarian Marlboro. If you can read the letters, or not, it's in this. It's like a Russian language. It's Bulgarian language, but let me tell you, I feel like. Talk about making a great trade, 2 to 3 to 1, right? These cigarettes cost the same. They're exactly the Marlboro Silver. They're about, $8.50 here in Florida. They're, they were about a little over, about $3.25 in Bulgaria. So buy for $3.25, sell for $8.50. Close to 3 to 1. It's a hell of a trade. In fact, I'll smoke one right now. Take a couple hits just to show you it's the same cigarette. It shows you how much money we're all getting screwed here. For all of you smokers, don't recommend smoking, of course, but a big difference, $3.25 versus $8.50. I mean, they're killing us here. And what is this all? It probably goes to taxes. Anyway, let's go back here. Why people suck at trading? PK's brutal truth, the brutal reality of the thing. And number 3, the last reason is I think it's a tremendous mistake, and one of the reasons why people suck at trading, which they set daily and weekly profit goals. Because they believe that being a consistent trader, this is the way, going for hitting singles and doubles and just chipping away. Yes, I know some of you will write me and say, yes, PK, is what I do. You'll make some money. I'm not saying it's a losing strategy. You can make some money, but you're never going to get rich. It's not going to happen. And I'm telling you, why are we all here? Especially for you people under 40. Look, when you're old like me in old Florida, go look at me. I'm old. Some of you guys are older too. Okay, then you want to be more conservative. Then maybe, then try to make some return. But if you guys are young and have the power to sit in front of that screen every day, you should at least try, at least sometimes go for that big trade. It could be, it could be long Bitcoin, it could be long a stock, it could be long something. Look how much money they made. I talk about the Bitcoin. Look, no one ever dreamed Bitcoin would go so far. But same with Tesla. I think it went up 600% last year. I mean, there's really great opportunities, and this is how you really make money. You got to keep it. You got to buy it with conviction. And again, this is one of the reasons why people suck at trading. Is they want to be a consistent trader. This is not the way to do it if you want to make. This is not the best way. As again, I always want to say, you want to take your best setup. I just did a video the other day. Make your best trade, right? And that is one of the reasons. That's something you can do about it. So let's see, where am I here? I went off rambling. I got so many papers. Look, it's a mess. Get rid of this. Really, it's just a disaster. I'm so pissed off this morning. Oh, by the way, the market's up. Again, the NASDAQ at new highs. Is it going to hold? Who the hell knows? But we'll watch for it. Anyway, I'm going to give you the conclusion of this. I'll get some music on to settle my nerves. Okay. I know you like Sting or who's in the Police from my generation. I can't get this damn thing a little quieter. Oh, well. Okay, listen. The conclusion I have for why people suck at trading, is, look, you must be able to change your behavior. It's all about changing your trading behavior and your thinking. It's not what you guys think about trading your setup or your approach. It's really about trading and changing. If you change your behavior, I gotta turn this damn thing off. I feel like I'm screaming. Listen, by changing your behavior, this will dramatically improve your results. What am I going to say? It's really that simple. It's not this conceptual nonsense over and over again like we heard in these other videos. They talk about why people can't win. How about the direct reasons? And I'm trying to give you guys at least something to think about. So anyway, I think I went long enough. I went crazy, actually. Listen, I wish everyone a great day. It's Monday. We'll see. It seems like week after week, there's plenty of opportunities here, and you don't have to suck at trading. You really don't. Just adjust your behavior. You can watch some of the videos. If you have any questions, you guys can write me. I'm happy to tell you. So listen, this PK with Out of the Box, with our show. Got the music, got Sting. I wish everyone a great day. Remember, let's all make some money. It's all about that, you guys. Ciao.